Tired of SoCal prices, but still want that sunny, growing vibe? Fontana is exploding, and we're dropping the map to the top 8 fastest growing neighborhoods in 2025. Don't buy in the Inland Empire until you see this. Affordable living is still possible. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're watching this, you're already one step ahead of the curve. Southern California's real estate market is legendary for being competitive, but one city is consistently emerging as the Inland Empire's hidden gem for growth and affordability: Fontana. In the last decade, Fontana has seen massive population increases driven by new development, excellent logistics job hubs, and a median home price that is still significantly lower than its coastal neighbors. Today, we are drilling down into the most dynamic parts of this city, the 8 neighborhoods that are not just growing, but defining the future of affordable IE living in 2025. We've compiled the freshest data, looking at new construction permits, population influx, and year-over-year value appreciation to bring you the definitive list. Let's dive into the list, starting with number 8. Number 8, Downtown Fontana. The heart of the city is pulsing with new life. Historically industrial, Downtown Fontana is undergoing a thoughtful and aggressive revitalization. While it's not known for sprawling suburban homes, its rapid growth is in its mixed-use developments and residential units, designed to bring walkable city living to the IE. Demand is surging for this new urban core, fueled by young professionals seeking a shorter commute and a vibrant atmosphere. Keep an eye on the median rental rate here. It's appreciating quickly as the area transforms into an economic and cultural hub. Number 7, Southridge Village. If you're looking for a foundational, family-friendly entry point, Southridge Village is a perennial favorite and continues its strong growth trajectory. It's highly valued for its relative affordability, especially compared to the northern areas of Fontana. New investors and first-time homebuyers are flocking here for the established community feel, abundant local parks, and direct access to major shopping centers. The growth here is stable and consistent, representing a strong, low-risk investment for long-term residents. Number 6, Rancho Fontana. Tucked away and offering a more secluded suburban experience, Rancho Fontana is quickly becoming a desirable enclave. Its growth is marked by higher-end single-family homes and a quiet, well-maintained atmosphere. The appeal lies in its balance. You get the serenity of a tucked-away neighborhood while still maintaining excellent proximity to the I-15 and I-10 corridors, making commutes to neighboring job centers entirely manageable. This neighborhood is seeing strong value retention, a clear signal of its growing popularity. Number 5, Summit at Rosina. Heading north, Summit at Rosina is a prime example of master-planned community success. The growth here is strategic and intentional, with newer homes offering modern amenities that appeal to a growing, affluent demographic moving into the area. Located near the foothills, it offers beautiful mountain views and a perception of elevated living. This area's consistent, upward growth is driven by the desire for brand new construction and communities designed with amenities like pools and recreational facilities. Number 4, California Landings. California Landings stands out as a true growth powerhouse. What was once sparsely developed land is now rapidly filling with contemporary residences. This is a magnet for new families and those relocating to the Inland Empire for the burgeoning logistics and healthcare sectors. The area is defined by its newer housing inventory and its great connectivity. While the median home price here is currently competitive, the speed at which properties are being listed and sold indicates a major surge in demand that will push values higher throughout the next year. Number 3, Shady Trails. Shady Trails is a master-planned oasis on the northern edge of the city, and its growth hasn't slowed down. It's renowned for its fantastic community amenities, including parks, clubhouses, and a very strong school district presence. The neighborhood is highly desirable for families and is seeing a robust influx of residents seeking a safe, feature-rich community environment. While it remains one of the more affordable entry points for new construction, the appreciation rates here are among the most impressive in all of Fontana. Number 2. Hunter's Ridge. Consistently ranked as one of Fontana's most sought-after neighborhoods, Hunter's Ridge is experiencing a renewed growth spike. Its proximity to the Cajun Pass and the I-15 makes it an ideal spot for those commuting further north or west. The stability and reputation of its schools draw in families, guaranteeing consistent demand. This area features some of the highest value homes in Fontana, but its growth metrics show that buyers are willing to pay a premium for the quiet, picturesque streets and the stunning views of the San Bernardino Mountains. The stability and desirability of Hunter's Ridge make it a benchmark for quality Inland Empire living. Number 1. Sierra Lakes. And finally, topping our list as the single fastest growing neighborhood in Fontana for 2025 is Sierra Lakes. This master-planned community is the gold standard for suburban tranquility, combined with upscale amenities. Its growth is fueled by an active lifestyle focus, centered around the beautiful Sierra Lakes Golf Course and a sprawling commercial center. The combination of its distinct features, scenic views, well-maintained properties, and highly sought-after single-family homes makes it the ultimate destination. Demand from both buyers and long-term renters is exceptionally high here. The area is seeing some of the highest year-over-year sales volume increases, solidifying its place as the number 1 spot to watch, invest, or live in Fontana as we move deeper into 2025. Fontana is no longer just a bedroom community. It is a major economic player in the Inland Empire. The growth is real, the affordability is tangible, and these 8 neighborhoods are leading the charge. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking at Southridge Village or an established family targeting Sierra Lakes, Fontana offers a strategic place to plant roots in Southern California without completely breaking the bank.